YouTube and Google services down for millions of users. Google services have gone down across the UK, including Gmail, Google Drive and YouTube. Reports flooded the outage service down detector as users frantically tried to access their email accounts, Google Documents and videos on YouTube. Google Drive and Google Hangouts are also down. The tech company has not provided any official reason for the outage. London appears to be the worst affected area, but users in Manchester and over in Dublin are also reporting problems. Users trying to access YouTube on laptops or phones are also unable to see the website or app. Instead, they're greeted with the holding page and the caption "Something went wrong." Many frustrated users took to Twitter to try and find out why they've lost access to their Google accounts. It's not yet clear how widely the problem has spread, but other areas of Europe also appear to have been affected.